What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Groove Drives. Today we're at Grubbs Infiniti to go for a drive in the 2027 INFINITI QX65 Luxe. So the Luxe is the entry-level QX65, with the Sport and the Autograph being the higher trims. I already have videos on the Autograph and the Sport, but I know everyone's been waiting on the Luxe because this is the most affordable model, and this is my first time seeing the Luxe as well. So we're gonna go for a walk around in the car, and then go for a drive as always. So interior is very similar to the Sport, with the, this has the stone leather, which is quite nice. I really like the stone color combo. It's like gray with white, looks really good. You have this nice metal trim. This has the regular sound system, because the Sport will give you the Klipsch sound system, and then you'll get the reference Premier sound system in the Autograph. You have a leather wrapped steering wheel, digital gauge cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on this touchscreen. You can also use this touch controller down here to control that screen as well. You have a reverse camera in the Luxe. You do not have a 360 view camera, however. You have heated seats, heated steering wheel, which is nice. You have Sport, Auto, Eco, and Snow mode in this vehicle. Panoramic sunroof. This one has a bench seat. Actually, I'm pretty sure, yeah, all of them come with bench seat actually. But yeah. Well, let's look at the window sticker, then we'll walk around the car. 2027 QX65 Luxe, 2-liter variable compression turbo, 268 horsepower and 286 pound-feet of torque with a 9-speed automatic transmission, 20-inch aluminum alloy wheels. You have Sirius XM for 90 days, built-in Google with navigation. You have all these safety features that comes with the Infinitis as well. And the total price on this one is $56,120. So if you want to get into a QX65, this would be the most economically friendly option. 22 miles per gallon, combined 20 city, 26 highway, which is pretty good. Exterior on this one is black obsidian. As I mentioned, it is a stone gray interior. But let's walk around the car now, and then we'll go for a drive. Just want to get that windshield cleaned up a little bit. All right. I like how the leather continues onto the door. So these are good. You got nice materials over there. Even this is up here is leather, which is impressive. There's not much plastic on the door, so that's cool. Black obsidian looks pretty good. And you have the Luxe wheels. These are the same wheels you find on a QX60 Luxe, so that was carried over onto the QX65, which makes sense. The grille also looks very similar to what you see on the QX60 over here. The Sport and the Autograph trims on the 65 are going to have like that, the cross pattern, so you see the similarity right there. The nice daytime running lights on this vehicle. I really like the front fascia on the QX65. It looks really aggressive, and you also have the light up Infiniti logo as well. So yeah, that's the major difference on the grille between the Luxe and the Sport and the Autograph. You also have chrome trim. Here are the rear seats. Legroom is pretty good. As I mentioned, the legroom is actually a lot more than you would think it would be in a coupe style SUV, which is pretty good. This is still a pretty practical SUV despite being a coupe-ified version of the QX60. It has hand-cooked tires. And here's the rear of the vehicle. I really like the taillights on the QX65. It looks really cool. It looks really similar to the QX80. A lot different than the QX60's taillights, as you can see. Like, you have the more clear look like the QX80 has. I like how Infiniti is spelled out on the back. See, trunk space is really good back here. You got a lot of room. You can also fold down the center row if you want to put bigger items, and you can use these buttons to do that. You have a capless fuel filling system, premium fuel only. But let's get this QX65 out on the road. And one thing, as I mentioned in my other videos on the QX65 trims, the Sport and the Autograph, I like how the wireless charging tray has a magnet, so your phone won't like flop around in here. Yeah, there you go. So you see now my phone's charging and it won't be flopping around in the cup holder or the wireless charging tray. So I like that. That's a pretty good idea from Infiniti there. So looking through the infotainment system, you got your maps over there, connect your Bluetooth over there. There's the phone app too, of course. But I like how there's built-in Google Maps. I really love built-in Google Maps in any car. So the thing is with the QX65, it drives very similar to the QX60. It's essentially the same car with a different body look, but the QX65 is tuned a little bit differently to have a little bit of quicker gear shifts and throttle response, so that is noticeable. But overall, if you're someone who's familiar with the QX60, you'd be very familiar with this car too. And if you currently have a QX60 but want something that looks sportier and you don't really need a third row, the QX65 would be a great option to switch. If like your QX60 lease is coming up and you really like the vehicle, the QX65 is a cooler option, better looking car and just sportier, and it's new. Like the QX65 looks really similar to the QX80 in terms of the headlight design, taillight design, and all that, and just the design elements in general are very similar to the QX80. Turn here. So here's the backup camera in action. But overall, that concludes today's drive on this 2027 INFINITI QX65 Luxe. As I mentioned, this is the entry-level QX65, so if you're interested in getting in one and want to, get the most budget-friendly option, the Luxe would be the way to go. It's a nice vehicle, and if you like the INFINITI QX60 and the INFINITI QX65, you'll really like this one. But thanks for watching another video of Drew of Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Infiniti in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own new 2027 INFINITI QX65.